Hey, what's up everyone? So today we're going to be opening up this Paldea Adventure Chest, and here I am hoping that this is pretty cool. This is one of the early box openings I'm doing, so let's see what goes on inside. And of course, inside you're going to get 7 promo cards, the 6 booster packs, the 1 sticker sheet, the 1 mini portfolio, and the squishy toy, which, yeah, that sounds pretty cool. So let's get this opening up. All right. So, anyways, this is a nice, pretty cool looking chest. This thing just slides out, which of course you can keep, and I'll probably be doing that. Maybe I'll put some of the Pokemon cards in there that I'm not going to be using. So put this to the side, and this is the chest that we have.
It's Pikachu!
When we open it up like this, and that's really cool. Open up the sleeves. You're gonna have the cards, the promo cards, which are very, very nice. So you have these, and we got the little Pikachu, squishy Pikachu, which is pretty cool. And you get the stickers. Oh, okay. I was like, where are the promo cards? So they're right here. So you got Paradox Rift, Obsidian Flames, Paldea Evolved, Paradox Rift, another Obsidian Flames, and Scarlet Battle. So that's pretty cool. So this is the card holder. Yeah, there's a mini portfolio. Let me get these out because this Palma looks cool, but okay, wait. Wait, I'm supposed to get 7 promo cards, right? Okay. Oh, bro. Okay, they're in here.
Oh, my darling. Oh, my darling, are you having another nightmare?
Okay, here they are. Okay, so there was in the little box. I was like, where is the other promo cards? Because I only see 3 here, unless I got ripped off. This right here is an awesome Pikachu. Let me open this up. No, so there better be 4 in here though. So let's make sure that there are. Beautiful illustrations. So we got this Pikachu, Pomo, sorry about that. The Palmy, Tandemos. Alright, so that's 4. It's Prigatito, Mousehold, and Palma. And this is a nice Pikachu. I'm gonna go ahead and I might send this one in for grading actually. The back looks good. So yeah. You guys let me know, what do you guys think? Of course, as you all know, these next packs I'm going to be opening up in the shorts. That's right. That's gonna be it right there. This is what you get from the Paldea Adventure Chest. So you got your 7 promo cards. I'm sorry. You got the 7 packs. 6 packs, bro. My brain. You got your 6 packs. You got your 7 promo cards. You got your profile, your little binder. You know what? You can put some Pokemon cards in here. Yeah, your squishy toy. Got the stickers and this little nightstand to showcase some of the cards, which I might use, I might not use. Of course, you got this big chest, which you can use to store Pokemon cards or whatever you want. So, yeah, that's what you get. Pretty nice chest. And so, yeah. Alright. That's right there. Paldea Adventure Chest. Let me know if you open this up, let me know what you get. And then we'll go from there, man. I'm going to be opening these up next episodes with the shorts. So other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. See you next time. Remember to like and subscribe. As always, let's get this channel growing. See y'all later. Peace.